I'm not a financial advisor, so if I outline any trade over here, that's not a signal. Please don't take your entry or don't put your live money into the risk depending on my analysis. Okay, you want to trade, you can trade it depending on your analysis. You can't blame me or you can't give me the credit for your win or loss. Now, if you can hear me, please let me know that. And if there is something wrong, that's also let me know that. Okay? I want to know if you can hear me or everything is cool. If there is something wrong, please let me know that. Okay, you can hear just trading some evil this afternoon. Something's wrong. Peter, you heard me. You heard me, okay? So I don't believe that something is wrong. Okay, yes, can hear. Great. Thank you. Audio is loud and clear, brother. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Caesar. Thank you, Inna. Thank you, so everyone. How do you fix our mentor is back? Hit the likes. Yeah, guys, please hit me the likes. Okay, subscribe and share this channel to your friends. Hey, Meet. How are you, brother? Right now, I'm holding 4351 subscription. Don't forget to participate to that poll. I would love to see how many people think I will be right to that subscription direction. Okay, I'm always wrong with my subscription direction. It never hits my target. So 29 subscription is my target. Let's see if I can hit it or not. That's my target for today's PM session. I would love to come to 15-minute chart and let me finish this first. So that was that sell side liquidity. Remember, that was a shallow run which was taken by the body. Okay, body has taken that shallow run. I'm going to remove it from my chart now. Here it failed to trade that hourly fair value gap. That means it reversed from a random area. That's why I'm not looking for buy. Here this 15-minute fair value gap, I would love to see how it reacts. Let me go. Yeah. So from 15-minute chart, I have this fair value gap. So I would love to see it will hold the price, send it back to that hourly fair value gap. That is my primarily intention. I don't have any sell side liquidity. Okay. So if market would love to go higher, it can go higher. There is the buy side liquidity and the 50-minute entry fair value gap. So it can reach for that. I will observe the sell first from here. If I get any chance to take sell, I'll go for that. If I see any buy, I'll go for that buy as well. So this is kind of 50-50 time. Okay. Right now I don't have any sell side. At the same time, I have this hourly fair value gap. So market actually reversed from a random area. But here there is some level from 15 minutes I guess, but the price is not clear. So yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all from this time frame. I would love to stay in 1 minute chart. So over here still no price. This is that 15-minute fair value gap. If I get any kind of market structure shift with very nice displacement, I will try a short. I will try a short. I'm not going to hold it until this fair value gap. I will look for some relatively equal lows. Let's see if I can find one. Yeah, here. So you can see this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. So if I get any chance to take a short, I will go for that short until that sell side liquidity. That's my first priority. If I'm fully wrong and if market would love to go higher, then I will try to frame any trade from there. Okay, right now I'm not interested to take buy right now, but overall I have this clean buy side liquidity over here and here. So I have that in my mind, but I'll change my decision when price will be there. If price can come here, I mean, I don't know why, but I'll just mm, I mean, I want to see market will leave this fair value gap behind it. Okay, this last fair value gap from 15 minute chart. it will left it behind, then it will go for that buy side liquidity. That's all my intention right now. So this kind of thinking, and yeah, overall this is my thinking right now. So yeah, the 2 p.m. there was the candle from 2 p.m. there was no volatility. You can see around 2 p.m. there was no volatility. If you ask me, no brother, I'm not interested to, yep, no, I'm not interested to take buy. So it's look very nice, has taken all of this liquidity. The only thing is missing is it has made that relative equal lows. I didn't like that thing. So yeah, I'm not looking for buy. Better I will wait for the sell. Now you can see over here, no fair value gap, nothing over here. Okay, yeah, I can mark this one because this is also valid. This fair value gap valid, but let's see if it can reach until the low, if it can reach over there. But yeah, overall, if I get any kind of market structure shift to the lower side, which will be valid with I mean perfect displacement, I will go for short. That's my intention. Okay, I will wait until this parallel gap. Let's see why I am in kind of indecision, because market has already taken the extreme sell side liquidity. The extreme sell side liquidity has taken. Now it is reversing from a random area. At the same time, I can't say this is random, because from 15-minute chart it's kind of lot of things over there. Okay, so let me actually go to daily chart. You come to the daily chart, till it left some area open over here. So let me actually mark the daily fair value gap from here to here. This is the daily fair value gap. The daily fair value gap, I'll keep it in my chart. Let's see if we can have any opportunity to take sell. That's my first priority. I want to look some kind of sell until that fair value gap, something like that. At the same time, I have in my mind this is the clean buy sell liquidity. Yeah, I'm gonna push my button. I don't care about what do you think or not. I really don't care. But yep, I will I'll push my button. If I get any chance, I'll push my button. Even if it is a loss, I'll be happy with that. Okay, I don't know how can I explain that. I don't want to take more pressure. So I have to be careless about your thinking. What you are thinking about me, I have to be careless. Otherwise, I can't push my button. I can't do it. This law is valid for shifting market structure. This law is valid for shifting market structure. Now, guys, my cordial request to all of you is, please, if you want to trade, do it by yourself. Don't don't just take the entry from me. Please don't take it from me. Just do it by yourself, because it gives me a lot of pressure. That's the thing, brother. Double check your hourly fair value gap. Why? What happened over there? So this candle low, this candle high. This is my hourly fair value gap. Is there anything wrong, brother? I don't think so. I don't know, brother. Why you are asking me to take it? Now you can see this price action from 15-minute chart. Okay, this one candle just close above that fair value gap. The very next candle come back again into this fair value gap. So still I'm seeing this 15-minute fair value gap is actually holding the price. I'm seeing like that way. Now guys, again, please don't push your button depending on my analysis. That's my request, please. Okay, hello to all. Hey Martin, my price action reading is great now, thanks Tito. You are most welcome, Peter. Support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and share your friends. Let us all learn together. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, brother. Yeah, guys, if you want, you can subscribe. All up to you. I will see this as a market structure shift, and I will see if market can make a fab lookup or not. Okay. I'm using continuous chart. It's different. Oh, okay, okay, Kevin. Are you shorting? Toxic. I am willing to take a short, brother. Yeah, you're right. I'm shorting. So if you back again to dollar chart, can you mark this order block if you see a valid on? Okay, I will do that. I mean daily chart. Okay, you are okay. I will go over there, but first let me see what price is going to go over there. Okay, let me check it first. Let me handle it. So if even if I hit my stop loss, it will be a 12 handle loss. Not bad. I don't have that 15-minute travel gap on my chart. That's strange. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see if it can trade the travel gap or not. Here is the first travel gap. I'll take a short, and my stop loss will be here above that candle. There is the breakaway gap. As it has reached over there, I'm going to remove it from my chart. The first one. I will see if it can hold it, send it back until that sells liquidity. So this is my target. I'm not sure it's going to work or not. As I told you, this kind of situation where price is really so difficult to trade. Yeah, I will try this one. I will try to catch this one. If it is a loss, I'll take a 12 handle loss. Okay? So please don't push your button depending on my analysis. It's your money, your risk. Don't blame me for your loss. That's my request. Please don't blame me for your loss. I really get so much pressure when I push my button in front of a lot of people. Okay. Yes, daily chart. Take all your time. Okay, brother. Just let it finish first, then I will go over there. If I see anything, I will mark that. I will read your comment after getting this loss. Okay? After taking this loss, I'll read your comment. I will see how beautifully you will just you will start to crawl. I would love to see that. But first, let me take this loss. Guys, I'm just thinking that you guys leave me, so even if it doesn't work, you won't judge me. Okay, I'm thinking like that. Even if it is a loss, you won't judge me. I believe that. Mosquito, mosquito. No, no, no. It should tap to this order block first. You have to do that. Not good. If it reverses from that area, it's not good. No, 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 no. It's not good at all. Not good at all. Has to trade that order block at least one time. Now I'm not getting the precision. I don't like this. I don't like this. Now I got it. Now it can fall. Nothing wrong with falling. Now it can fall. If it wants to fall, it can fall right now. Now I'm loving this. Just close inside this pebble. Just close inside it. Close, man. Close inside that. Come and close below this consonant consonant. Just close below this consonant consonant. I'll be happy to see you that. Close below this consonant consonant. Mhm. You're commenting. I'm unable to read your comment right now. I will read your comment after the trade. Okay, I will read your comment after the trade. Not good, not good at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm not going to get the precision. I don't want to hold it until the min threshold. Even if I get stopped out, I'll be happy. Yeah, I don't want to put my stop loss above that min threshold. I want to do that. It hit me, I'll be stopped out, small profit. Because of this rejection. I don't like this rejection from the entry level gap. This much rejection I don't like. So if market would love to trade that entry level gap, sorry, min threshold, I'm gonna take the loss. The loss will be still below. Because of this rejection, I'm getting low confidence. And all of you know I have a very bad habit with my trailing stop loss. But yeah, still I'm profitable by that trailing stop loss. So I'll be happy. Even if it hits me, I'll be happy. I don't care what do you think about me, but it is me. I love the precision. If there is no precision, I don't want to hold it. I will get better opportunity, better option when I will get the precise price action and I won't be stopped out. So yeah, that's all, brother. Boom. I don't want to hold the rejection like this way. I don't want to hold it. Yeah, it's okay. What time is it in your country now? I am at 12:21 at midnight. This run I don't like. Just this little run I really didn't like. Hate that run. That told me that I am not precise. So if it's not precise, I don't want to hold it. I would love to take that is little stop. You are the wizard. I'm not the wizard, Peter. You see, I got it out. But yeah, this sells a liquidity. So yeah, if market can close, could close below that low one time, just and not below. Actually, the consequent cost meant here or here. If anybody was closed below of those level, then it was the gem. Right now, it's just trading this order block and the min threshold. All I didn't want to hold is because I don't have the clean sales and liquid. Okay, and my bias is not bearish now. That's why I didn't hold. I'm not confident enough. That's why I trail my stop loss. So it's very clean, and this is Friday. It should be stay here somewhere. Order block is still holding the price. Absolutely, Hassan. It is holding the price. Man, I just can't take the pressure. To be honest, now you can say this guy is just blaming the pressure. Yeah, I'm taking this pressure. I have nothing to say. I mean, a small loss I don't care, but when I push my button I take the pressure. Look over here. I would love to show you, okay, that my point is not invalid. I just pushed my button over there, if you remember, to show you that what it, how do I feel, just to show you that, nothing else. So here I'm not afraid of my losing money. Trust me, man, I'm not afraid of that. I know the logical level. This order block, this mean threshold is the logical level. Market can trade until that. I just didn't get the precision over there. I trail my stop loss, I take the loss. But to be honest, I just can't take the pressure. So when I'm in the trade, my mind is just start to bloom. Okay. So it's better to stay over here and read the price. You can manage your trade the way you want to trade. Okay. What's your weekly PNL2? It has done already. I mean PNL, profit and loss, this week I didn't count, brother. So far I guess 3000, 1000, 1700. I have to check, okay, brother. I will check it. I'll check it. But yeah, I'll check it, brother. Just this leg. I hate this leg. Just this leg. It didn't give me the decision. Oh man. Hate that leg. This should hold the price. This travel gap. It is going to hold the price, especially this constant encroachment. Should not be broken. This constant encroachment. See this travel gap over here. If it can make this as a travel gap over here, something like this. I want to see this will be unfilled. This small travel gap. This should be unfilled. If market would love to take that success. If it filled that travel gap, what does it mean? That doesn't mean anything. That means you will be low confident that maybe this is not going to work. But if it kept that like that way, that's the gem, man. That's the market maker buy model. Maybe, brother, it can be the market maker buy model. No problem. Waiting for SMT reversal after grabbing sell side liquidity. Let's wait, brother. The way you want to trade, just do it. Just do it, man. I'm always wrong. So just don't believe my bias. That's the thing, okay? Just don't believe me. That's my request. Don't push your button depending on my analysis. If I tell you that market is coming lower, and if your analysis is telling you that yeah, maybe it's coming lower, and you if you get any setup, go for that. Don't believe my analysis, don't believe my trade management, anything. Don't believe that. That's my request. Okay, that's my request. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna remove this travel gap because I don't need that one, not anymore. I don't want to see that market will go above that travel gap. I really don't want to see that. See this travel gap, market should not go above that travel gap before taking that sell side liquidity. This is the last extreme travel gap just above the sell side liquidity. So yeah, it should not go above that travel gap before taking that sell side liquidity. It should not do that. That is called precision. Over here, see this small run, it should not go over there. Now sometimes it's just shitty price action, nothing to do. I trust you, brother, and even I stopped out. I don't judge and blame you. Thanks, man. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks a lot. I want that from you. Just I want that. Take the way I read the price. Don't take my entry. Don't take my, I mean, setup. Don't take them. Okay, it's not going to work. It's going to work never ever. That's for sure. Okay. Yeah, I got four people. I just need 25 more people. Let's see if I can have them or not. After trading this fair value gap, see this run, it should have taken that sell side liquidity. It didn't take, that means it's coming to that fair value gap. If it break that fair value gap, it will come that fair value gap. If it can break that fair value gap, that's for sure. If you ask me, I really want to see it will take that sell side liquidity. It is not going to break that last fair value gap before taking that sell side liquidity. If it breaks that, then it's coming to trade that fair value gap. And that is called not precise price action, a bullshit price action. In that type of situation, it's gonna make this as a strongest liquidity. Sometimes you will see relatively equal lows. Price came here to take that liquidity, failed to take that liquidity, went higher, then come back again for that strongest liquidity. Yeah, I see that, Hassan. I saw that. It's actually holding. I mean, 50-minute travel gap is actually holding the price. See this 50-minute travel gap over here, it is holding the price. So I believe that market will go here until here. And if you are looking for this one as your order block, this is not order block. Okay, over here, this is not order block. If you are looking for that as your order block, that is not order block. After trading this fair value gap, if market can close one more time below this fair value gap, you will see just boom. Do it need to trade that fair value gap? It has traded that fair value gap. Has closed that fair value gap. Nothing wrong with that, because it went lower. Take those lows, so it can close that one. Now it should fall dramatically below this fair value gap. At the same time, this first fair value gap, this is the first fair value gap, that should be broken as well. Order block retest? Seriously? Seriously? Do you guys remember I explained this order block retest? What is going to happen then? If it is a order block retest, what is going to happen the next? You have to know that if this is the order block retest, what is going to happen next? The next obvious thing is market is going to fall without giving you any chance to take entry. That's the way you should fall if it's on to take that sell side liquidity. It's clean from on mid chart liquidity. That should be your thinking. It's going to take that sell side liquidity with this two blue line is the 15-minute fair value gap, brother. Go to your 15-minute chart and yep, you will find this your 15-minute fair value gap. Remove it, chart. All I don't want to see is a body close above that mean threshold. If it close above that mean threshold, I'm perfectly wrong. Market doesn't want to take that sell side liquidity, it wants to go higher. If it can close above that mean threshold. Till now I'm seeing this as a order block retest. Like it has so much energy. Reached for. Everyone is waiting to hit my stop loss. So, don't worry, just 5 handles. 5 handle stop loss. Okay, got stopped out. So market really hate me. Read that 50-minute last travel gap again. It really started to hate me. And when it is broken, I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Broken yet? Let it finish first. Let the candle close first. I want to be sure that it's going to, close over there. Talking about precision, you find the mean threshold. The 50% of the order block is the mean threshold. Taking buy 1 minute inversion travel gap. Please go for that, brother. The valid buy setup. Empty. I'm bearish, okay? I'm not bullish. So if anyone is buy like Dhaka to DC, Please go for that, brother. There's nothing wrong, okay? But still, I'm bullish. I sorry, bearish. From the very beginning, guys, I have this clean buy side liquidity. Market has taken the maximum sell side liquidity, okay? All I have left here is this hourly fair value gap. I can see this is a nice liquidity from 1 minute chart. I don't have very strong sell side liquidity. I have very strong buy side liquidity over here, but I don't have any strong sell side liquidity. But I wanted to see a reaction from this 50-minute fair value gap that should take that sell side liquidity at least. So far this fair value gap is holding the price. Still I'm bearish. If it is broken, then I will look for buy. Okay, until it's not broken, I'm not looking for buy. I'm still looking for sell until this sells a liquidity, at least to that sells a liquidity. Please mark bullish market structure shift. Do you have Discord server? I don't have Discord server, brother. Please mark bullish market structure shift. Here is your bullish market structure shift. There you go. And this inversion fair value gap, I think you are talking about this inversion fair value gap. Yeah, absolutely perfect inversion fair value gap. If you are bullish, that's the perfect inversion fair value gap. Mm, I don't know what happened to my elimination chart. I guess it changed the chart. Should I mitigate my loss? If I close my trade over here, I have already mitigated my loss. So my loss was for 5 handle, that means $100 loss. If I close my trade even now, all of my losses will be mitigated. But I would love to stay here and I would love to see how it should work. All I want to see a body close below that line. If this body failed to close below that line, I'm gonna close my trade. I don't care where I am and how I will be. I'll just close my trade. If it failed, close below this line within one or two candles. I mean, this candle, if it close, I'll be very happy to see that. It failed. My stop loss will be here now, just above that line. If it come back again, I'll be stopped out. This should work as a first fair value gap. It has traded this fair value gap, failed to take that high. At the same time, it has cleared all of this liquidity. Everything has been cleared. This should work as a first fair value gap. Guys, if I want to mitigate my loss, I can just close my trade over here. I want your boom word, that's why I'm gonna hold it. Actually, what I can do, I can just let it go like that way, okay? Otherwise, I will keep trailing my stop loss. I will keep taking the pressure. What should I do? Oh man. If it can go through this by one candle, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. I'll say this guy is so cute. I love you. That's my girl. Something like that. Okay, it failed. It just tapped to the consequent encroachment of the last variable gap. Now here is my demon. He's here. He's telling me to cover my loss. Okay, telling me to cover my loss. Should I listen to him? My demon is telling me cover my loss. Put it here. If I put my stop loss over there, it will cover all of my loss I have taken. Should I put it over there? Guys, you tell me. Tell me, what should I do? Should I put it over there or should I keep it over here? Boom, good to take to NQ. So you can scale one and lock in some profit. No, I have only one contract. Okay, I have only one contract, so I can't take the profit. Peter, close, bro. Please cover. Okay, so when you told me to cover, I am gonna listen to you. If I put my stop loss over there, my whole loss will be covered. Okay, so you can say I had one loss for 5 handle. I have just covered my loss with 2 handle. Okay, so my loss has been covered over there, and I'm actually going to that liquidity. Now I don't need to hold it until here. You can see still it's $540, $60, something like that. So it's cool for me. Okay, it's really cool for me. Oh man, all I want to see a body close below this parallel gap. That's all I want to see. The very next candle can't close inside this parallel gap. The very next candle can close inside this parallel gap. It's forbidden. If it closes inside that parallel gap, I will see this is a fake breakout. See, if it can close over there, I will see this is a fake breakout. Though I'm little confident that market is coming here. I'm little confident. Okay, I'm always wrong about my bias. I'm telling you that I'm always wrong with my direction. And today I will be the most wrong person. Okay, so it will never come here. That's for sure. But still, okay. Let me come to 5 minute chart. Okay, 15 minute chart. That's cool. It's closed inside this parallel gap. I don't like this. This is called fake breakout. So yeah, I can't push my stop loss more lower because this is the most logical level where market should not reach to that constant encroachment. It should not break that. If it would love to go lower, it should not go or reach to that constant encroachment now. That's why I'm unable to push, to trail my stop loss over here. I'm unable to do that. I will be able to move my stop loss when market will close below that low. Then I will be able to move my stop loss over here. I will just let it go. Okay, I'll just let it go. Close the trade and secure profit will make your weekend great fling. Oh man, just a second. The first parallel gap trade happened one more time over here. It has traded over there. Okay. If it hits my stop loss, I'll be happy. Just let me show you, brother. Uh, just let it hit my stop loss. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So here, that was my profit from morning session. Before the morning session. After that, I took a loss for 5 handle. So after even 5 handle, that's the thing. Okay, I would love to show you something. That is the profit from yesterday 1104. That was the okay, that was the same day actually, sorry, the same day. Where was the other one? This is the profit from Wednesday. If you go lower, you will get more. Okay, you will get more. So I'm happy with this small price action. I'm really happy. It should not reach to the constant encroachment. Thanks Brent for this effort. Thank you Said, no problem brother. Mr. Wrong, you are so stubborn and that's what make you beat this market, I think so. Maybe brother. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, I love my direction. I never doubt my direction. That's the thing, brother. I never doubt it. Even if ICT come to me and he tells me that, okay, brother, I'm going higher, I don't care. I really don't care. But the thing is, sometimes when you guys actually comment and you tell me some specific level and you tell me that it's going to react from there, coming the opposite way I'm expecting, sometimes I get confused. Okay, I start to doubt my bias or my direction, and I think, okay, maybe you are right, I'm wrong. So yep, that's kind of thing. I just covered my target, sorry, stop loss. Otherwise I would keep pushing my, I will just cover this parallel gap because I'm not getting the precision from here, so it can go little above of that constant encroachment. It can go over the little above, and if it will do that, I will be stopped out. Otherwise, if it wants to be precise, it should not break the constant crossment. It should not break it. It should fall from the low, or if it wants to go higher, tick by tick over here. It should tap to that CE and it should fall. Where are you from, brother? I'm from Mars. I'm from Mars. I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Guys, I'm just coming back because I'm just coming back, okay? I forgot to. I'm just coming back. After praying, I was thinking that I will drink some water, but I forgot. If it hits my stop loss, I'll be happy. Otherwise, I'll just let it go, but I'm not going to move my stop loss until it break that low. If it can break that low before hitting my stop loss, I'll be profitable. If it hits my stop loss and then fall, I'll just cover my stop. I will just cover my loss and I'm done with that. Okay, so just let it go like the way it wants to go. I should have covered that opening. Okay, just let it go. I'm just coming back. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I had a buy limit over there. Thank you, brother, for reminding me that. If I push my button again, you will say I do overtrade. But if I was alone, I would push my button one more time again. Okay, I don't care because still I'm at the break even, so I will be able to take a loss. I'll be able. But here, in front of all of you guys, I don't want to show you the over trading right now today. But yeah, this is the fact. I just covered my loss. So yeah, to be honest, if I was alone, I would push my button one more time if I was alone. But no, I'm not going to do that. This is the first travel gap which is holding the price. Okay, the first travel gap is holding the price. Today's Friday. I'm not getting the precise price action to be honest, but still I'm happy because my logic is working. I'm happy, and yeah, push it. Toxic bubba. Just let it go. I am not I'm not 100% confident about this sell side liquidity. Okay, but my belief is market is going to take that sell side liquidity. That's my belief. Look all of this price action. No, I don't want to push. Just let it go. Exited with profit and closer to get a payout. Congratulations, Inna. Congratulations, brother. You know, I know. I don't know what to say. Okay, I really don't know. Everyone take the loss. Everyone take the loss. I'm happy. Thank you. You had a great call. Thank you again. If I was not, I was not worrying about your boom, I would have closed my trade to this area. When it went above this, I would just close my trade. I really love that boom word, so I hold that trade until that sells and liquidity because I have called that market is going to take that sells and liquidity. As I have called that, so I tried to push, hold my trade until here, but I had no choice to put my stop loss over there. Otherwise, I would have some small loss. Okay, so I didn't want to take that loss in front of so many people. That was not a loss. I had only this loss. Okay, this loss for some handle, five handle, something like that. This is also not a loss. So the guys who actually came here later, you can think that I took three and three, all of them a loss. No, not like that. Okay. So far I just take one loss and I'm at the break even. So I'm happy with that. Break even, I'm happy. I will learn English just by listening to you. Thank you. Sergio, my English is too bad, brother. What? You're trolling, man? Don't troll me, okay? What is your top red marking area? Are you talking about this? If you're talking about this is the first parallel gap. Bro, do you not look at order blocks that are on the way to your take profit? For example, look at the 3-minute chart. We hit the 3-minute order block and reversed up. No, brother, I don't change my time frame. I love to stay in 1-minute chart and 15-minute chart. So I don't look any other time frame. I'm happy with this two time frame only. Okay. So when market is coming lower, if I'm believing that market is coming lower, always remember if there is no sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart, no sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart, I'm not 100% sure market is going to take that on or not. So this low was my actual target. When market has taken that low, I have only one thing. Before at the beginning of my PM session, I told that market reverse from here. It has some level from the 15-minute chart. It's not clear, and this hourly fair value gap, I really don't believe. Okay, I really don't believe hourly fair value gap. I only believe the 50-minute fair value gap. When it reversed from there, I have that clean buy side liquidity over here, this high and that high. That is the clean buy side liquidity. At the same time, I was thinking that maybe market will take that low and it will take that fair value gap, hourly fair value. That was my thinking, just thinking. I wasn't so confident. I told that, okay. I wasn't so confident about this sell side liquidity. This is kind of 50-50 right over here at the end of the Friday, where market has already given you a huge bull run. You can see market fall from here to here after giving you a huge bear run. Sorry, not the bull run. After giving you a huge bear run, it can easily go higher and it can stop over there. That's the theme, that's the narrative for the Friday. Still, I have little time, so I was thinking that maybe market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Still now I'm thinking like that way. Market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Then around the lunch, I mean last hour, maybe market will go higher. To be honest, I would have done my trading at the morning session because market has just hit my weekly target. Okay, or whatever I'm doing here, I'm just trying to catch some small run, just small run. That's all I'm trying to catch, nothing else. I'm gonna remove this line from my chart. It's broken. This one also I don't need. All I want to see this parabolic gap. So I'm seeing this as a fake breakout. So market went higher. The very next candle come back inside this candle. It failed to take that high. So this is called the fake breakout. I'm thinking that this first parabolic gap has the potential to send price back to that, take that sell side liquidity. Okay, that's my still belief. I'm not telling you take entry. I'm not giving you any direction because I told you this is kind of so, what to say, I mean so clear, so clean, but still this is Friday. I'm closing. And if I would take my entry over here, I mean if you let me to take that entry, I would love to push my button. Okay, I'm not going to push my button, but yeah, I would do that. When price came here, I would take that entry until that sell side liquidity one more time. I would do that. If you don't think like this is over trading, this is not over trading according to me. It's because still I'm at the break even. I didn't take any loss. So over here it's near about 24 handle, so I'm not going over here, something like that here. That should be my trade still now. Your last entry, Dhaka 2 DC. Okay, what is your top red marking? Okay, your last entry. What was that, brother? What about my last entry? Dhaka 2 DC. Poco instant Toka work on subtitles. Okay, Rokhol, whatever you told, I really didn't understand. I really didn't understand, brother. How do you do your weekly analysis? How do you determine daily bias? You have to start from the Sunday, okay, brother? At Sunday, I find out where market is going and how it is going. At Sunday, I determine that. So please come to Sunday and let's figure this out, okay, brother? I just can't tell you from here. Nearly impossible for me. Brother, is this rejection block now? No, brother, it's not rejection block. It is trading this 1 minute last fair value gap. One time, two time. Market is overzealous, so it has traded two times the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. I don't have any other fair value gap except this one. Market has traded that 1 minute last fair value gap two times. Every time it failed to take that high. Now it failed to take that high. This first fair value gap is still holding the price. This is just a fake breakout. If market would love to go lower, it will give you the, what to say, I mean the more energetic run now. So it's not okay. Yeah, all I want to see, market will close below that low. This fair value gap should be broken now. It has to be broken. It has no chance to hold the price, send it back to that fair value gap. It should not hold the price and send it back to that fair value. It should not do that. That fair value gap will be open like that way. It should not be traded, okay? I mean, it just should not be traded. If I'm not absolutely wrong, if I'm not absolutely wrong, then it should not be traded. If I'm 100% wrong, then it can trade that. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? MSS, there is no swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. There is no single swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Okay, Peter, this time you are missing something, brother. What I am missing, Lord FX? Can you please tell me what I am missing actually? I understand very little English. It's time to watch with subtitle later. Okay, brother, I'm sorry. Still, my English is not really so good. I don't like it. I want energy now. Energetic run below that low. Just an energetic run. If I'm not 100% wrong about my bias, then mm, not good at all. It trade to that fabric, it's not good at all. Kind of the sign of the sloppy price action. That means seek and destroy mode. Friday, 1453. MSS 1453. This one, 1453. This one. No, it's not valid for shifting market structure because this is not a swing low, which is valid for shifting. This swing, this is not even a swing low. Okay, yeah, it's a swing low, but not a clean swing low. Something here. Let me actually remove this one. It's very destructive. This one is a swing low. This one is a swing low. This one is not a swing low. This one is not a swing low. It's kind of, see, just here. Just compare this thing with that one. This one with that one. This kind of you're looking, okay? How do you look the price? Just look like that way. I'm sorry guys, I have to push my button one more time. Okay, I'm sorry if even if I take a loss, I'll be happy with that, but I want to push my button one more time over here. From there, I know you are going to judge me. No problem, you can judge me perfectly. So 13 handle, I'm gonna take a 13 handle loss. I'm okay with that. So it's a kind of sloppy price action. I'll be chopped up, no problem with that. But yeah, 13 handle loss, I'll observe that loss. 13 actually, 14 handle, little above that swing high. I'm sorry guys, but yeah, this is what it is. I have to take this entry. Will the equal highs left open the bearish market? If this is the equal highs, if you are seeing this as a equal highs, it should left open like that way, because after taking the sell side liquidity, market has to go above for some kind of liquidity first, 1 minute liquidity first. So that will be the 1 minute liquidity which will be triggered later. Okay, so it should left that open like that. That's my thinking. I can be perfectly wrong over here, and I'll be happy with that. 15-minute order block don't allow price down. Okay, so I didn't see any 15-minute order block over there, so I really don't know what to say. But yeah, if I take a loss over here for 13 handle, I'll be happy. Mm, but yeah, this is the sign of the seek and destroy mode. So I'm believing that market is going to fall. I took that entry. Let's see if it works or not. Hmm. I'm really afraid of being wrong today. I'm really getting afraid. Where I really know what is going to happen, but still I'm really so afraid of being wrong in front of a lot of people. What a shame, man. I have to stop taking entries from my live account to my live. It will take more time to be used to with the live money in front of a lot of people. Here I'm unable to push to contract. Here, okay, I'm unable to push to contract. If it was the paper money, I would have pushed to contract. I will place to contract and I will take one or to say I mean partial, okay, and then I would put my stop loss to the break even, and then I could say I am still profitable. But here around this area at the last hour to the Friday, I am unable to push two contract. I have to take one contract and I have to hold my trade until the target I shown. So something like I want the boom. Still, if I see something wrong, I can't close my trade. So yeah, that's the fact, brother. That's the fact. Please explain your entry, bro. See this breaker block? I am leaving this breaker block. Now here you can say the breaker block is from here to here. So the last down close candle. If you can mark this as your breaker block, if you want, nothing wrong with that. But as my stop loss is over here, okay, here I put my stop loss over there. That's why I marked the whole consecutive order. I mean breaker block. I just marked that one. Now I didn't push my button when it tapped over there below that breaker block. I pushed it when it tapped the consequent, I mean, sorry, the 50% of the breaker block. That means the mean threshold of the breaker block. I'm believing this breaker block is going to hold the price, send it back to that buy sell limit. I mean, sorry, that sell sell liquidity. But if I want to put it here, this is the absolute breaker block. So here, this is the mohawk. I mean, a little run above the breaker block over here. This to run is the mohawk. Now look good, so I'll keep it like that way. Look good, right? And actually let me put it over here because at the last hour I don't want to take a huge loss. So 6 handle loss is cool. 6 handle loss, it will be cool. It will be cool. Yeah, it will be cool, brother. Okay, Peter, no need to thanks me, brother. Just forgive me because of my loss, because of my very shitty price action right now. But I believe that you will understand. We got our run. Okay, I just not don't need that fair value gap not anymore. We have just got our run over here. Our trading should have done over there. Here all I'm trying to do is just entertain you guys, nothing else. The easiest time to trade in Friday is the last hour. That means this is the easiest way. Now, ra right now, where the price is right now, this is kind of the place market can go either way. I mean, it can go for the sell, it can go for the buy, or it can stay over here until the 4 p.m. and then around 4 p.m. it will give you the reaction. I mean, some kind of big run. Anything can happen because of the price action. Just go to your 15-minute chart over here. Look over here. Market just retraced, went lower, failed to trade this fair value gap, failed to trade that fair value gap. Right now, price is over here at the middle point between these two fair value gaps. Nobody can guess where market is going. Nobody can guess. Simply nobody can guess. This is not precision. This is not the exact place to place a entry. I'm okay with that. I mean, I know that, but yeah, still I pushed my button. So let's see how it works. Still now, this breaker block is my power, and I'm thinking that this breaker block is going to hold the price. This first parallel gap is going to hold the price, and this sell side liquidity is going to be taken. Okay, this sell side liquidity it's going to be taken. If I take a loss, I'm happy with a very small loss. Okay, just 6 handle loss. Okay, I will be in a 6 handle loss. I'm unable to close my trade when it will go below that low. See this low? When it will be below that low, I am unable to close my trade. If I took 2 contracts in that type of situation, I would close 1 contract over there. I would push my put my stop loss to the break even. As I have just taken 1 contract, I am unable to close 1 contract below that low. But trust me, this low is very strong because just below that low, all of this liquidity will be taken. Here is your last parallel gap. That should not give you any kind of responses. Any kind of responses. Over here, this parallel gap. It should just fall. Just something like that. Now, if I see, okay, this is the time. Look, if it just go below that low, just a week, and started to go higher. Okay, no, sorry. It closed the body. I'm okay. It closed the body. So what I should do? I should have taken a partial here. I should have put my stop loss to the break even. Now I am unable to put my stop loss to the break even. The reason is market can come back one more time to the constant encroachment. To the mean threshold of that breaker block. It can reach over there one more time. I am unable to put my stop loss to the break even now. I want your boom. Just because of your boom, I'm holding my trade. Otherwise, I would close my trade over there. Okay, just because of your boom, I'm holding my trade. Trust me, I'm not greedy. Trust me, I don't care about my loss. Trust me, I don't care about anything. I just want to see that you guys write down boom. That's why I'm holding. Otherwise, I would close my trade over there because I have just 1 contract. That's all, brother. I hope you will understand my feelings. And now, if it stop me out, I hope you won't judge me. Okay, you won't judge me because from here to here, 20 handle, not bad. From here to where did it come? Just here, just for example, 32 handle. Not small, like for me it's huge, but still I'm gonna wait it. Boom, you got it, bro. Thank you, Hamad. Thank you, brother. Thank you, my trading for item boom. You are talented, especially on identifying liquidity. Thank you, brother. Giving you boom now, so you can decide if you want to close your trade. Okay, so if you guys really give me that, I would love to put it to the break even. Okay, I really love to put it to the break even if you give me the permission. Okay, so as you give me the permission, I put it to the break even because this breaker sent the price below that low. This is the most obvious low. I'm little confident that market is going to fall because this close. See this candle, it closed below that low. So I'm little bit confident that market is going to fall again. Boom, close, boom, close. Peter, you always tell me to hold it, and now you are telling me to close my trade. Why, man? As I'm going to lose some money, that's why. No, I mitigate my loss. Okay, I've mitigated my loss, and I put my stop loss to the break even. So even if it hits my stop loss, I'm not going to lose anything. Still, I'll be profitable. Maybe small, but yeah, it's cool. Still, I'll be profitable. Boom, go ahead to break even. Yeah, just just hit it to my break even. So I got stopped out over there. I know, guys. It's not a great trade, but at the last hour, when price has already taken the weekly analyze, I mean weekly sell side liquidity, I believe that you will see this a good precision. Okay, so yeah, I'm not upset because I didn't take a huge profit and I got started to the break even. I'm not upset. I'm bit cautious of the same high liquidity. If it can go above those highs, it will never fall again. It will keep going higher. Okay. If it goes above those highs, then it will keep falling, keep going higher. Already take profit at bottom. Congratulations, gunfire. Congratulations, brother. Peter, thank you. See, nobody write down boom because it stopped me out to the break even. So if I could close my trade over there, I would have get 20 handle. So here to here, I would have get 20 handle, but still I will get the boom word. Okay, okay, just let it go. Price action is in garbage today. Vrinda, no, it's not garbage today. At the PM session, it's little difficult at the PM session, but it was not bad at the AM session. Okay, at the AM session, it was not bad. It was awesome. Thank you, Peter. Thank you for writing. Keep writing that boom. 4359. So not bad. Still because of this trade exit. Guys, don't judge me, okay? The guys who are new here, please don't judge me. I know what I'm doing. Should have watched DXY along with it. Please go for that, Afak Khan. Go for that, brother. After the big move down, it just stopped. Yeah, it's true, brother. Brother, will you ever decide to make a Discord for your students and have some kind of Sunday class to teach and clear some questions? I have a Discord group. I mean, but really, I'm not active over there. Okay, I'm a single guy. I don't, I can't manage my time. Okay, so it's really difficult, brother. Would you please help me understand why you believe price moving above 18101 means it will go further up? Because I have the liquidity from 15 minutes at here, and I have this travel gap which should be triggered. That's why I'm expecting higher run. This is the closing of Friday. Market should go higher. All I wanted to see is this low will be taken. Now if I come to 15 minute chart, look over here. There is no liquidity from 15 minute chart. It's very clean from 1 minute chart. You can see it's very clean from 1 minute chart, but from 15 minute chart there is no liquidity. My liquidity level always I mark from 15 minute chart. Okay, as this is the choppy price action, I'm believing that maybe okay. So market has taken those relatively equal highs. It failed to take that high. So I'm talking about this high. Okay, here this high. So it's not SMT, but here to that high. It failed to take that high. It has taken those highs. If it can make a fast parabolic up again, if it can make a fast parabolic up, something like this. Buy limit. Now you can say I'm over trading. Am I really over trading? Still I am at the break even. It failed to close that fair value gap. Okay, the bad. At the end of the day, I just put it in the okay, no problem, let it go. But this first fair value gap should have sent the price that that sells a liquidity. It has taken all of this liquidity, failed to take that high. It should fall now. So that first fair value gap should hold the price. It should hold the price, send it back to that sell side liquidity. Now it's not, though it's not clean, but still I have only this sell side liquidity. I have nothing left over there. So it should go over there. And this is the only thing that can stop the price, take that sell side liquidity. Guys, don't think I'm just over trading, okay? Still I'm at the break even, so I didn't take any trade yet. I didn't take any trade till now because I'm at the break even. From the My mind is telling me to add one more, but I don't want to add one more. The reason is this is the last hour, so I'm not going to add one more over here. But you know, my everything is telling me add more, add more, add more, add more. Something like that. Is this a rejection from 1 minute fair value gap? Yeah, this is the rejection from 1 minute fair value gap. This one. This is the rejection from 1 minute fair value gap. Perfect rejection from the consequent encroachment. The first fair value gap has taken this relatively equal highs, failed to take the highest high, make the 1 minute last fair value gap, sorry, first fair value gap. It should fall now dramatically. It should fall with drama. Okay, something like Peter. It should fall like that. Why did you take that entry, brother? You were in the break even, so why did you take that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Peter, I'm not getting drama, brother, here. I'm just getting fed up with this setup. I'm really getting fed up. I'm getting now angry on the price action. It should not react like that way. Not giving me any kind of precision. I'm getting upset now. Oh no, it's not a drama. I want a drama here. Some kind of drama, you know. Drama means drama. It will keep falling, something like that. Big short at top. Hold. Boom. Oh man. Oh man. Ah, I'm really getting upset now. I reached daily loss 50k account. Very hard to trade lol. Dio, why did you take entry, brother? How can you be take some losing trade here? I mean, every single time there was an opportunity, market always provide you at least 20 handle. So for your 50k account, 20 handle is more than enough. So it's near about $400. If it was my 50k account, I would have closed every trade when it will be reached to that 20 handle. I would have done that. As I have the $6,000 max daily loss limit, I'm just holding it until my target. How can you be hit your daily maximum loss limit? Every single time price gave you the setup, it traded at least 20 handle. Okay, sometimes more than 20 handle. Here still, I push my button, but it was because of the volatility. entry was over there, but actually my entry was over here when price was just over there. I pushed my button, so until here to that, see, and if it can reach over here 20 handle, I'm done. I should have done if this is the 50k account. Okay. Not with your entries, I have my own entries. Oh, okay, 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 Dio, then it's okay. No stress, bro, you are in good hands. Let's boom to the target. Yeah, maybe this is the target. Okay, this buy stop is the target, so let's boom to the buy stop. So um, 150k, you should only be trading 5 micros maximum. One mini is okay. 1 mini is okay, absolutely okay. If you trade with 1 mini, it's perfectly okay, brother. There's nothing wrong with that. It bounced from 1 minute travel gap. I have seen that, brother. I've seen that. Bounced from there. I have seen that. I'm thinking this is just a reaction. Also, it has bounced from daily consequent encroachment. This is the daily consequent encroachment. I've seen both of these things, but I'm seeing this as a reaction from the last travel gap from 1 minute chart. I'm seeing that like that way. Still, I'm confident that market is going to take that sell side liquidity. So I'm confident. Hit this candle. Bro, does it mean handles are same as points? One handle means 1 point. Yeah, like 18095, 18096. That is one handle. One handle is equal 4 ticks. 18099, sorry, 18090.25, 18090.50, 18090.75, 18091. Okay, so 4 tick is equal one handle, and one handle means $20 for mini Nasdaq. Okay, to come to the UK, we'll figure out room and job easily here. Please, I don't want to leave the Portugal. I'm very near for the Portuguese passport, so I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. So from 84 to 90, that means just 6 handle. I will I will take that 6 handle loss. If I'm perfectly wrong, I'll take that 6 handle loss. If I'm wrong, okay. But thanks for that offer, Hafiz. Thank you, man. I need someone from Portugal who lives in Portugal actually, but I don't think so. There is anyone from Portugal to my channel because nobody actually replied me. It's okay. I will manage it. No problem. Mhm. You can say this is over trading. Okay. Again, I'm explaining the things, brother. Here, I didn't get stopped out. I didn't take a loss. Here, I take a loss. This one, I mitigate my loss. This one, I get stopped out to the break even. So until now, I have no loss. I'm seeing this. I didn't take any entry. I didn't take any entry. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out the way it should work. Now, for you, you are not going to push your button from that first parallel gap. Never. As I'm pushing my button from the first parallel gap, you are not going to do that. You will wait for the perfect market structure shift and the parallel gap trade. Now, if you ask me, uh, this low, this low, this low, is it? Yeah, is it? Yeah, until here. until that low is broken. See, there was no market structure shift. I didn't see any market structure shift until here. Now here is your market structure shift. Let me mark the setup. Okay, you will go with this one setup only, just one setup over here. This is your market structure shift. There is your first fair value gap over here. There is your last fair value gap over there. So here, there is your last fair value gap, and my stop loss will be, sorry, at the side. Your entry will be here. Your stop loss will cover this breakaway gap. That will be your target over here. That should be your first entry. You will just take this entry, nothing. You will do nothing over here. Until here, there was no market structure shift according to my rules. Until here, there was no market structure shift. Now, if this setup doesn't work for you, it's okay. You will take just a loss. Okay, but you can't take any entry around that area. That's forbidden. I'm teaching you this. I'm teaching you this from the very beginning. You are not allowed to take any entry from here. You will just go for this entry. If it doesn't work, you take a loss. You will go. You will be happy. You will be happy with your loss because you waited for the setup. You pushed your button from that setup, but market wasn't wanting to give you the profit, so you take a loss. Okay, it's perfectly okay, but you will only go with this setup. There is no other setup for you. Okay, is it clear, guys? Don't push your button over here because there is no market structure shift, nothing over here. This is the first time you got your market structure shift. This is your setup. If it doesn't work, you'll be happy. If it works, then you are profitable. Clear, okay, clear, guys. Just you will go for this setup. No other setup is valid. Now that doesn't mean I'm telling you to push your button over here. That doesn't mean that. Okay, don't think that this guy is now telling us to push our button. No, please don't do that. I have 100k stake account. Target is $2,000. Should I keep increasing my account balance? How can I tell that, brother? Vishal Kumar, I have no idea, brother. I mean, it's your job. How can you trade? How do you trade? You know that better than me. So if you want to increase it, you can go for that, brother. Bro, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. I like the way you read price, delivery, you pro. No, man, I'm not pro. I'm just trying to figure out some enigma over here, okay? Again, guys, I'm not telling you to push your button here, but I'm telling you the fact when you will push your button. This should be your first time when you are going to push your button. Over here, you will do nothing. Just nothing. Here, I tried the first fair value gap. I didn't teach you the first fair value gap. So you are not going to push your button depending on the first fair value gap. You will push your button depending on the 22 YT model. If it doesn't work, if you get stopped out, be happy because you have waited for the setup. You got the setup, you push your button, but your edge didn't work. Your setup didn't work. Sometimes it happens. Nobody is losing proof. Everyone is going to take the loss. So you are not also going to be the losing proof. But this is how you will work. Afak is from Bangladesh. Afak, he's from, okay, I'm from Bangladesh, Afak. Okay, need to drop the market. You want? Okay, okay, it's going to drop. You want dropping the market? I'm going to drop it. Just let it trade the order block, then it is going to drop. Just let's see if it can trade that order block. After trading this order block, it's going to drop. If it wants to drop, I mean, trade that order block. If it's overzealous, it's not. It has no time to trade that order block as well. You asked me for dropping the market. I'm gonna drop the market. So I'm asking the subscription. You please make it sure that I'm gonna get some subscription. Okay, 79% people told that I'm not gonna hit. Sorry, that will be the exact order block level. Now it's going to drop, brother. Don't worry. Where was that? Let me close the poll. Going to complete. Okay. So 78% people told that I'm going to hit 4380 subscription, and 21% people told that no. I believe that 21% people is going to be the winner. I'm absolutely wrong with my bias. I'm absolutely wrong with my subscription bias as well. It has traded that order block. Now it should fall. If it wants to go lower, this is the time fall. Let me mark the mean threshold of that order block. So market should not close above that mean threshold. So this is the mean threshold. It should not close above the mean threshold here. It should keep falling now. It's done its job over there. So many things has done over there. Not even a single candle should not close above that mean threshold. I don't like that. Mhm. 1 0. Okay. Still it's closed below the mean threshold. I'm happy. Still no, I'm happy. It should fall now. Just it should fall now. My brother asking me to send the price lower. Why it's not going lower? Can you explain why this was specifically a MSS? Sorry, I missed you say it. Okay, brother, you have to go to my channel. From the studies section, you will find a video what is market structure shift and uh, how to avoid the losing trade. Please watch those two video. You will understand why that is the market structure shift. Okay, brother, please go over there and watch that video. Subscriptions drawdown. Lol. Yeah, big mode. So far, it has traded the mean threshold and this candle closed above the mean threshold. It's not good. Let's see if the very next candle can close below the mean threshold or not. So it should close below the mean threshold. If it wants to go lower and take that low, it should close below the mean threshold. If market doesn't want to trade that last parallel gap. Remember, this is the last parallel gap. It can trade that parallel gap. There is nothing wrong with that. The only problem is the 350 because I can't hold my trade after 350. I should not hold my trade after 350. So I have no idea what's I will go. I'm going to do. Even if I want to hold it, if you took that entry, my advice is either keep your stop loss to the break even or close the trade. If you take a small loss, don't worry about that. That's my advice. Okay, and if you think okay, just a small loss, you can observe or you can take that small loss. I mean, how many handle it will be? 11 handle loss. If you are able to take that 11 handle loss, then you can hold the trade. Okay, you can hold it because I put my stop loss to the break even. So even if it hit my stop loss, I will be stopped out to the break even. After 350, no entry holding is valid. 1 minute until murder algo. What is murder algo? I'm bullish bias, brother, on your subscribers count. It's still 4362. 4362. I need I need 18 more people. 18 more people. See, this is 350. See the volatility around 350? I really hate that volatility. I really hate it. Because sometimes the volatility is huge. You can't even take that that much volatility. That's why I always tell you not to hold your entry until 350. See this volatility? Suddenly market came with that volatility. So are you willing to hold that volatility? If that run happened the opposite way, what is going to happen? You are going to be stopped out. That is the reason I told you not to hold your trade until 350. No entry is valid after 345. If you take an entry, you have to close it at 349. Okay, that is the reason. Market maker now in play. Your dear soul. No, the guy actually asked me to send the market lower. That's why I'm trying to send it lower to that line. I'm trying to do that. All I want to see, market will make a fair value gap here, and that will be unfilled. This fair value gap should have been unfilled over here. That should be unfilled. If it can make the fair value gap over here, I'm not sure that it's going to make it or not. But if it can make that fair value gap over there, that will be unfilled. This is the last fair value gap that should be broken in a second, something like that. That has to be broken in a second. Last one minute. Yeah, absolutely, Peter. That's the last 1 minute. It should have been broken. Something like that. I love that. I want to see it will close below that low. And you can see my target, I mean profit. $670 is my profit. Should I close it now? Should I close it? Should I close it? $700. Should I close it? Even if you tell me to close it, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just holding myself because my mind is telling me to put my stop loss just above that fair value gap. My mind is telling me to do that, but I'm not going to do that as well. Okay, so you just keep seeing my profit, and then when it will turn, no man, I'm not going to close. Okay, I want your word boom. I want that word, and if it hits my target profit, I believe that some of you will actually subscribe to my channel. You will make a boom over there as well. So 4362 will turn into maybe 4370. 8 people will actually subscribe to my channel. I believe that. So I'm gonna put my money in a risk because of your subscription, because of your, I mean, something. Oh man, I'm now feeling bad. Boom close, boom close, boom close, boom close. Awesome week. See you Monday. See you Ina. See you brother. Alex Fletcher could have taken partial. I don't have any way to take partial because that's just one contract. Just one contract. So I have no way to take the partial. All I have is your subscription. I know that I'm not a good guy, but I want your subscription. That's all, brother. Peter, I'm not going to close it, man. I really don't want to close it. I want all of your boom word. All of you will write down boom. I want that. I want to say you that I actually never confuse about my direction. I want to show you that. That's why I'm holding that. Otherwise, I would have closed that. Trust me, brother. I would have closed that. Oh my god, I am FOMO out. I love that word. I love that word. Would you have taken if you could? What did you say, Alex? Would you have taken if you could? If I had the if I had two contracts, I have already taken my partial when it tapped to that last family gap. I have already closed my partial over there. If I had take two contracts, so the rest one I will hold, and my stop loss would be just above that fair value gap. See this one to see unfilled area. I would put my stop loss just above that unfilled area, and I would hold my rest contract until that sells liquidity. Okay, brother. Ahmed Mustafa, boom. Move a bit your stop loss, Mr. Wrong. I'm not going to do that as well. Okay, I have a very bad habit of moving my stop loss. I'm not going to do that as well. So I will keep it like that way. Either it will hit my target profit or it will hit my stop loss. Anything will happen, I'll be happy. And this is the end of the month. Still, I'm in profit. Okay, I'm not in loss. I'm happy with that. No man, I just can't close my trade. Yeah, what I could do, I could put my stop loss over here. Okay, I could do that. I can't close my trade immaturely. I never do that. Got trailing stop. Oh my god. I'm getting fun, brother. I'm getting fun now. I'm now getting fun. To be honest. All I want your subscription. All I want your subscription. I deserve it, man. Oh man. I want to prove my point. I want to prove my point, brother. To be honest, I want to prove my point. Brother, you are showing us the real emotions of trading. It's killing us. No, man. You should have been emotionless. You should not be care about your. I mean, I have a problem with trailing stop loss. Okay, that's why I just put it to the break even and I'm not going to touch it. But when it is here, you just can't close your trade. This is immature. You can't close your trade immaturely. You can't do it. That is forbidden. You can't do it. You just can't do it. Okay? Lol, you are a true trader, brother. Never control the outcome. Thank you, Cello. Peter, wow, perfect at min threshold. Okay, so you are also seeing this, right? I'm gonna remove it from my chart because I want to see my entry. Okay, I want to see my entry, and I'm going to make it over here like that way, this way. Okay, and here, lol. Okay, yeah, if you let me, then I want to put it here now. Okay, if you let me, but you have to promise me that even if I got stopped out, you will write down boom, then I will put it over here. I will, otherwise I will keep it over there. You have to promise me, even if it hit me over there, you will write down boom. Okay, all of you have to write down the boom, man. Okay, we got your point. Move your stop now. Okay, I moved it. Okay, so even if it hit my stop loss, you will write down boom for me. You have to. You promise me. Okay, just close. No, I can't close it, brother. I'm sorry. I actually, that's a psychological issue. I grow that habit with a very hard work. Okay, not to close the trade immaturely. So this is the perfect area where market should reach. It has to reach over there. I just can't close it. Okay, yeah, if you say I can move my stop loss little lower, nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I can't close my trade over here. It's forbidden for me. Okay, I just can't close it. Okay, will boom close boom. Even if it hit my stop loss, you will write down boom. You promised me. You guys promised me. Okay, you already took our boom. Yeah, Jack T, I got it. Thank you, man. But I want it all together. What happened? Did it stop again? My chart. No, 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 no. It didn't stop again. I have 1 minute left to hit my target profit. I just have 1 minute left to hit my target profit. Just 1 minute. Just wait 1 more minute. Either it will hit my target profit or it will hit my stop loss. Anything will be happen within 1 minute. I believe that. Brother, be careful with 4:10 p.m. Top step will get mad if you keep trade open after that time. No, I will close my trade at 4:01. If it doesn't hit my target profit or my stop loss, I'm gonna close my trade at 4:01. So yeah, cool. This run is cool, 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 cool. This is the Judas swing. Just before 4 p.m. This is the Judas swing. The very next candle should expand lower. 1 0. Here, this one. It should expand lower now. Come, 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 come to daddy, come to daddy. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my trade. This candle will close. I'm gonna close my trade. Maybe going to hit my stop loss. And done. It hit my stop loss. Your confidence is rock solid. What is your experience in ICT? I don't have any experience. Okay, guys. So I'm sorry. It didn't take that sell side liquid. I'm extremely sorry. I was absolutely wrong, and there was no opportunity to take sell. Everything I did, it's wrong. I'm sorry, extremely sorry. So as you promised, you told me that if it hit my stop loss, you'll write down boom. Okay, that's why I moved my stop loss over there. Thank you guys for writing down boom. Thanks to all. Okay, still boom. Thank you all. Thanks to all. Oh man, it was really so hard. Okay, so yeah, I mean, still profit. No worries. Let me actually check what is the end of the week result. And if you are not bored, I would love to stay some more times. Just, I mean, until 4:10. I would love to stay until 4:10. If you are not bored yet, I'm kind of stubborn. So yeah. So my target profit is 672. I know you are not going to believe me, so I'm gonna put a stop. I mean, sorry, tweet to my account summary. It's save 672.20. That's the end result from today. The end result from today. So 1 week with green green, okay? Is it bad? I don't think so. Not bad. Now you can think that this, if you take that entry, okay? For example, if you would take that entry from that fair value gap until this fair value gap, kind of 21 handle or 20 handle, something like that. It's your job. How do you find your bias? Still, that is valid for me. This is not valid actually. I know you have to go, but just give me some little more time. Just little more time. Thanks to all for writing down boom. Thanks to all. So this is the uh, profit from today. I know it's not huge, 672, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay, man. It's your job. How do you find your setup and when you will look for the setup? Dhaka to DC, you took a buy here to that inversion fair value gap. That was a valid inversion fair value gap. Okay, absolutely valid inversion fair value gap. I was just bearish. That's why I didn't push my button over there. I tried to take entry over there and I got a stop out. That was my only loss from today. But that inversion fair value gap was a valid inversion fair value gap. I agree with you, brother. I don't know, Dhaka to DC, you are still here or not. And I believe you just closed your trade over there and you were profitable. Every single time I waited for the sell side, I look for the sell setup only. Now, if you ask me where you should look for the entry, this is the only place where you will look for the entry. Now, it didn't reach to that sell side liquidity. I agree with you. Maybe you will be at the break even, or I don't know what to say. Maybe you will close your trade to the last fair value gap, or maybe you will be stopped out here somewhere. But that's the only thing you can do to that sloppy price action. Here you will do nothing, nothing at all, because this is just a random area. I tried to take every entry because of the first Pavlova from 1 minute chart, and you saw how it worked. Every single time it gave me the run. I am kind of stubborn. I don't want to close my trade if it doesn't hit my target. What I do, I actually trail my stop loss. So over here, if I would trail my stop loss would be here, just above that unfilled area. Remember, I write down this should be unfilled, so I would be stopped out here, not there. I would be stopped out here. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, I thought that market will take that sell side liquidity, but it didn't. I believe that after the New York PM session, so now it has a lot of time until 5 p.m. It will take that sell side liquidity overall. I will tweet when it will take that sell side liquidity, but it should be taken. Now, right now, it has made a very nice sell side liquidity here. Previously, this was not so strong, but right now, it's the strongest sell side liquidity, which has to be taken. You can say I was wrong, you can say I was right, because this is just seek and destroy mode. When this is seek and destroy mode, it is what it is, okay? And the first favorable cap rules is market will take some liquidity, fail to take the highest high. So here, this candle, when market has taken all this liquidity, fail to take that high, I went for that first favorable cap entry. It came here, went higher, stop me out to the break even. Nothing wrong with that. Again, when it tapped over there, it has taken this relatively equal highs, failed to take that high. I took my entry again. When it came to that first parallel gap, it went lower, and you see this price action. Now this is Friday. Sometimes I'm wrong, right? But thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. Though I didn't hit 4380, but I'm still happy because I got 14 subscription at the PM session. I will be live at Sunday 9 a.m. New York local time if everything is okay. Okay, I will post the daily recap video tomorrow. So tomorrow at 9 a.m. New York local time, you will get the daily recap video from my channel. So I don't want to make the video right now. So I will make it tomorrow. It still have time right before market closure. Lord FX, it can, brother, but I am a top step trader, so we are not allowed to hold our trade after 4. Okay, they actually give us the warning that this is the closer time, so after 4 we should not hold our trade because we are the top step trader. I don't know, but some of my friends actually told me that we are not allowed to hold our trade after 4 p.m. So I had to close it either way. If it failed to hit my stop loss, I would have to close my trade. So guys, please don't forget, there is 93 likes. Please, if you didn't give me the like, don't forget to give me the like just before leaving. Okay, make it 100 likes and go back if you think it was little insightful or helpful for you guys. And again, this is not over trading. Okay, until I am at the break even, I don't see this is over trading. I will try every single possibility until I am in break even. I was in little profit, so I am not telling you that I was in break even yet. So yeah, that's the thing, brother. And if you didn't give me the like, please just give me the like before leaving. There's just 94 likes, so I need just 6 more likes to make it 100 likes. I'll be really grateful to all of you guys if you give me the like before leaving. So see you, brother. Thanks for coming. Happy weekend, and talk to you tomorrow.